Greetings, it's your friend Kenny O, also known as the Lunchbag Dad, coming to you with a cool, kind of a different art project. Now, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to paint with noodles. Now, when I was in college, we did a lot of different things. We painted with like sticks, and we painted with like it was almost any kind of material we could find. And you know what? We'll paint noodle. Like, there's been some people painting with wet noodles and all this kind of stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot and show you how to paint with some uncooked noodles. So I'm just going to go ahead, use some watercolor, take some of these noodles, just kind of wet them, and then throw them into some watercolor. We'll go ahead with my watercolor palette over here, throw some blue in there, and then I'm going to come down. And it has kind of a nice stroke, as you can see. It's probably something you never thought of trying before. I'll go ahead and throw some purple. And it's kind of a nice, cool little brush technique. And you can even go in there, just mix, use some other colors. And you can even try painting with like, kind of like the edges of it. I'm gonna mix some colors, but they will kind of break, so you have to be careful. So let's go ahead and start mixing it in a little bit. You can see that kind of is a really nice texture, really nice kind of flow to it. It's got like, it almost looks like, you know, you can almost do a Japanese brush stroke with it. You know, if you can kind of come here and... So it's actually kind of a fun exercise to try, and something that probably you never thought of trying is painting with some noodles, but, you know, just dab your noodles in wet paint, or actually just water. Throw it in the watercolor and see what goes on. But it's actually a fun exercise, and I'd love to see what else you guys do with it. Alright guys, this has been your friend Kenny O, the Lunchbag Dad, coming to you and teaching you how to paint with noodles.